Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the compound. The structure shows an aldehyde group, OHChO, at one end, 2 carbon-carbon double bonds, and 2 methyl substituents on the carbon bearing both methyls near the other end. Writing out the carbon skeleton from the aldehyde end, C1 is equal to OH, C2 is equal to C3, C4H2, C5H2, C6 is equal to C7, CH3. But the image shows 2 methyl groups on the last carbon making it CH3, 2 giving an 8-carbon chain when the methyls are treated as part of the principal chain or as substituents. Step 2. Select the principal chain. The longest carbon chain containing the ChO group and both double bonds must be identified. The aldehyde carbon is C1. Counting C1, ChO, C2 is equal to C3, C4, C5, C6 is equal to C7, C8 with 2 methyl groups. Weight the terminal carbon has to CH3 groups. If the 2 methyls are substituents on C7 and C8 is not present, then the chain is 7 carbons, hept, with gemdimethyl. But if 1 methyl is incorporated into the chain, the longest chain is 8 carbons, october, with 1 methyl substituent at C7. Step 3. Apply IUPAC rules. The principal chain must include the ChO group, suffix -ul, and be the longest possible chain containing the maximum number of double bonds. Taking the chain as 8 carbons, C1, ChO, is equal to O, C2 is equal to C3, double bond at 2, C4, C5, C6 is equal to C7, double bond at 6, C8 with a methyl branch at C7. This gives octa 2,6 DN 1 ul with a methyl at C3 and a methyl at C7 3, 7 dimethylocta 2,6 dinyl. Step 4. Number correctly. Numbering from the ChO end, C1, gives double bonds at positions 2 and 6 and methyl groups at positions 3 and 7, yielding the name 3, 7 dimethylocta 2,6 dinyl. Step 5. Eliminate wrong options. Option B uses incorrect suffix placement -8 and wrong locants. Option C uses formyl as a prefix, which is incorrect when ChO is the principal characteristic group, it should be the suffix -ul. Option D uses the non-IUPAC term aldo as a prefix, which is not acceptable in IUPAC nomenclature. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.